Hi students, how are you today? Our lesson is about the habitats of animals. Look at the picture. Here are animals in their habitats. What is a habitat? A habitat is a place where animals live. There are 4 habitats of animals. Animals that live on land, animals that live in water, animals that live on land and in water, animals that live in the air. Animals that live on land, these animals can breathe only on land, like giraffe, lion, tiger, and zebra. Also we have horse, deer, monkey, cat, dog. These animals live only on land. Animals that live in water, these animals can breathe only in water. If they get out of water, they will die, like the fish, shark, sardine, and shrimp. Animals that live in the air, these animals can fly, like the bird, butterfly, bee. Finally, animals that live on land and in water, these animals can breathe on land and also they can breathe in water. Like the frog, here we have a frog on land. Also the frog can swim underwater. Crab, on land and in water. So the 4 habitats are animals that live on land, animals that live in water, animals that live on land and in water, animals that live in the air. Thank you for watching.